And Marjana, what is your career background and how did you come to meet Dr. Wu?
Oh my gosh. So it's been a long journey to meet Dr. Wu. I started with a different instructor about 6 years ago or so. I got into Tai Chi. Actually, the whole journey started a day that I turned on the television and seen a little fragment of a movie where the actors were practicing Tai Chi outside. And it struck me so much that I literally cried watching it.
Wow.
And just so determined to find out what is exactly that they're doing. You know, it was just so beautiful, so connected with everything. So I started researching what it was that they were doing and got to find out that it's Tai Chi. And from there, started searching for a local instructor. So I did find it, started taking classes for about a couple of years or so. And of course, it wasn't enough. So I needed to get into it a little bit deeper and learn a little bit more authentic yang style Tai Chi. So of course, was searching for different instructors, masters, and I found Dr. Wu. So I came to his open house. At that time, he had showed Who Am I documentary. And while watching the documentary again, I was moved so much that it brought me to tears. So
Wow.
I knew at that moment, this is the place for me.